According to the latest report from LinkedIn, the demand for Python developers has surged by 35% in just the first quarter of 2024. Companies across various industries are on the hunt for skilled Python developers to tackle projects ranging from artificial intelligence to fintech innovations. Imagine working at a company where your Python skills help drive cutting-edge AI technologies, automate critical processes, or develop the next big app that millions will use daily. Sounds exciting, right? Well, in 2024, the demand for Python developer is skyrocketing, and I am here to tell you exactly where you should be looking for your next big opportunity. In today's video, we are diving into the top companies that are actively seeking Python developers in 2024. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, knowing which companies are hiring can give you a significant edge in your job search. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. At Python Hub, we cover everything related to Python development, from tutorials and tips to industry news and job market insights. Don't miss out any updates. Let's get into it. Big tech giants. First up, we have big tech giants. Companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft are always on the lookout for talent Python developers. These companies use Python for a variety of applications, from machine learning models to backend services. For instance, Google's TensorFlow, an open source machine learning framework, is primarily built using Python. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a Python developer at Google is around $127,000 per year. At Facebook, it's approximately $130,000. At Amazon, it's about $125,000. At Microsoft, it's around $120,000 annually. But before we dive into emerging tech companies, here's an incredible opportunity to boost your Python skills. Our course, From Zero to Hero, the complete Python development masterclass, is designed to elevate your skills from beginner to advanced levels across all essential topics. Take advantage of our exclusive 25% discount with the code PythonHubSub. Don't miss out on this chance to advance your career. Emerging tech companies. Startups and unicorns in the field of AI, fintech, and healthcare are booming in 2024. Companies like Stripe, Robinhood, SpaceX are utilizing Python to develop scalable solutions for complex problems. These companies often offer exciting projects, a dynamic work environment, and the chance to work with cutting-edge technologies. On average, Python developers at Stripe earn $130,000 annually. At Robinhood, it's around $125,000. And at SpaceX, it's approximately $115,000 according to Glassdoor. Financial institutions. Financial institutions like JP Chase and Bloomberg are also hiring Python developers. In the financial sector, Python is widely used for data analysis, financial modeling, and algorithm trading. In fact, JP Morgan's Athena platform, used for risk management and trading, heavily relies on Python. Glassdoor reports that the average salary for Python developers at JP Chase is around $110,000. And at Bloomberg, it's approximately $120,000 per year. Healthcare and biotech. Healthcare and biotech companies are increasingly leveraging Python for data analysis, medical research, and bioinformatics. Companies like Pfizer, Moderna, and 23andMe are hiring Python developers to help analyze vast amounts of data and contribute to important research. The average salary for Python developer in this sector is approximately $110,000 per year based on Glassdoor data. Remote opportunities. And of course, With the rise of remote work, many companies are offering remote positions for Python developers. Platforms like Upwork and Remote OK list numerous remote opportunities where you can work from anywhere in the world. Freelance Python developers on this platform can expect to earn between $90,000 to $120,000 annually, depending on their experience and the projects they undertake. 2024 is shaping up to be an excellent year for Python developers. With opportunities around various industries and the flexibility of remote work, now is the perfect time to polish your Python skills and apply to these companies. Whether you're aiming to join a tech giant, an emerging startup, or work remotely from your dream location, the opportunities are endless. Remember, the key to landing your dream job is not just knowing where to look, but also being prepared. So, keep learning and stay updated with the latest trends. Thank you.